Good morning, children. This is Shivalsis speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter uh, fractions and decimals. So here in this video, we will discuss about exercise 2.5. Children, so this exercise 2.5 is about decimal numbers, comparison of decimal numbers, which decimals numbers are greater, or how to convert a whole number into decimal numbers. These things we will learn in this video. So let us have a look. So children, the first question is, which is greater? Exercise 2.5, question number 1. Which number is greater? 0.5 or 0.05? Out of these two number, which number is greater? Whether 0.5 is greater or 0.05 is greater. Children, the very first thing that we need to understand, we will start comparing the numbers from leftmost number or leftmost digit. The leftmost digit is 0. Here is 0. 0 and 0 same. We can't compare. Next is point. Next is point. They're in the correct place. No problem. Then the next digit is 5, and then the next digit of right hand side is 0. Children, 5 is greater than 0. So 5 is greater than 0. So the once we get the bigger value or bigger digit, the number itself becomes bigger. So 0.5 is actually greater than 0.05. We don't have to go for the next digit. Once we get a bigger digit, we will stop counting. Or we can say in these way, children, this is one process of saying 0.5 can we write in form of 0.50? Of course, we can write 0.50. Because after the point, we can add as many number of zeros, no problem in that. Next number is, in the right hand side number was 0.05. So children, 0.50 is of course greater than 0.5. So we can say 0.50 is larger than 0.05. So children, using both the ways we can count or we can compare which one is greater number. I believe it's clear to everyone. In the next number is about 0.7 or 0.5. Children, 0.7 and 0.5. Children, here is 0 and here is 0. This is 0.7 and this is 0.5. Of course, 0.7 is larger than 0.5. 0.5. So children, this is how we can get the answer. Next number is whether number 3, whether 7 is greater or 0.7 is greater. 7 is greater or 0.7 is greater. Children, the first 7 can be written as 7.0 and here is 0.7. 7 is always greater than 0, which is the leftmost digit. 7 is always greater than the leftmost digit 0. So we can say 7.0 is larger than 0.7. 7 itself a whole number. So children, this is how we can compare the numbers. Let us talk about question number 6. Let us talk about question number 6 because 3, 4, 5 all are similar question. Let us talk about question number 6. 6 is about 0.8 and 0.88. Which one is larger? Children, 0.8 can be written as 0.80 and here is 0.88. Children, it's pretty understandable that 80 is lesser than 88. 88 is greater than 80. So number 0.80 is actually a smaller number, smaller than 0.88. Children, these things were a very easy concept. I want you to understand question number 2. The conversion. 7 paise to be converted into rupees. Children, we know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, and 1 paise is equal to 1 by 100 rupee. That we know very well. So children, 7 paise to be converted into rupee, how much? Means how to do? Just 7 into 1 by 100. Because 1 rupee, 1 paise equal to 1 by 100 rupee. So 7 paise means 7 into 1 by 100 rupee. So 7 into 1 by 100 matlab 7 by 100, resulting 0.07. 0.07 rupees. This is how we get our answer. Next question is question number 2. Let's see children how to do question number 2. Question number 2 is about 7 rupees 7 paise. Children, 7 rupee is already in rupees, so we don't have to do anything with this. We just simply write 7 only. Plus 7 paise means 7 into 1 by 100. Because 7 paise to be converted to rupees, we just need to multiply with 1 by 100. So 7 plus 7 into 1 by 100 means 7 by 100. We can say 7 plus 7 by 100 means 0.07. My final answer is 7.07. Children, in a very simple process, we can do it. Let me explain question number 5. Question number 5 to be done in a similar process. Question number 5 is about 235 paise. 235 paise. So how will we convert this 235 paise into rupees? So we'll just write 235 into 1 by 100. So 235 into 1 by 100 means 235 divided by 100 means 2.35 rupees. Children, this is how we can convert the paise into rupees. So same process to be used for, like, centimeter to meter or meter to kilometers. Same process can be used. So children, I want you to try question number 3, 1 and 2 your own, and the moment you will face problem, just let me know. Feel free to speak to me. In the next video, we will discuss about question number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Till then, thank you so much children. Please do practice all this in your copy. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye. Take care.